Hey Gemini, what's up? Ayan, nagbabalik po ang ating January weekly reading. If it's not resonate with you, just ignore it. Kapag nag-resonate naman, hit me like, share, and follow. Okay, Gemini, wait lang guys ha. Medyo may nagkaroon lang ng technical difficulty. Okay, yes, I'm back. Okay, Gemini, if not resonate with you, just ignore it. Kapag nag-resonate naman, hit me like, share, and follow. This is your 8 card spread. Oh, you are dealing with toxic people. Or ikaw mismo yung toxic. Or ikaw mismo, parang bumabalik ka na naman doon sa era ng life cycle na, ay, alam mo yung parang you are okay, tapos bigla na lang, gusto ko to i-try. Parang never ending try ka ng try. Ano bang meron sa Gemini? Parang this year, simula na nagre-read ako sa Gemini, Gemini are always in retrograde, no? Parang you're comparing yourself from the past, no? Parang you're comparing yourself sa dating buhay mo na eto naman okay naman ako, bakit nagiging ganito. So parang you are always returning sa sender eh. Parang gusto mong bumalik sa nakaraan kasi maganda yung naging buhay mo nung nakaraan. Kaya ganito yung siguro yung nangyayari. Face the truth that 2024 is already ending. Pero parang feeling ko hindi ka pa rin nakaka-move on sa ganung era. No? So parang pa-toxic na ng pa-toxic yung life mo. Sayang naman. Sayang naman ito kasi even you are lying yourself na you are okay but you are not. So I think you need spiritual guide. Ayun yung parang feeling ko na kailangan mong gawin, spiritual guide or kay finding mentor, finding friends, lumabas, wag mag-isolate, alam mo, wag mag-focus sa ano, ipagpahinga mo ang sarili mo kasi wala, hindi rin yan mag-ano, parang um, ang ganda ng outcome mo, no? So, kailangan mo lang makaalis doon sa stage na, yung stage na ganito ko dati, ito ko dati. 'Di ba? Alisin mo na yun doon kasi iba na yung stage na ngayon. Kailangan mas more grow ka na, mas ang tawag doon, mas ikaw na. Yung parang okay na, ano yung mga nag-learn ko, tapos kailangan ko lang i-apply. Ganun yung mga peg na nakikita ko dito. Eh. Hanggat hindi ka nakakaalis doon sa era na yon, or hindi ka nakakahanap ng right mentor, right friends, right surroundings, you will be stuck on that situation over and over again. So, if it's not resonate with you, just ignore it. Kapag nag-resonate naman, type yes to claim your abundance.